In seconds, you have a self-closing opening in your dust barrier.
Reuse zip. What do we got here, sir?
Hey, so we invented the world's first magnetic dust barrier zipper. We call it the magnetic entry strip. No more zipping and unzipping. Works on a Velcro system where you peel and stick the mounting strip onto any plastic of your choice. This is how it works. Peel stick like you normally would your disposable dust barrier zipper. Then you'll cut a slit down the center to create your opening. And this is how you install. Take your magnetic entry strip, fold it in half, come down one side to attach it, then lift off the unconnected side and come back down the other half.
Amazing.
So in seconds, you have a self-closing opening in your dust barrier. And check this out. You can use more than one. That's a double flap.
You got them on the sides too. I didn't even notice.
And then check this out. A full flap. So multiple configurations for large equipment access, etc.
Amazing. Can I go through?
Yeah, go for it.
I love it. Where can they find it, guys?
So you can get it on our website at www.reusable.com, reuzip.com, or on Amazon.